Hola people. So ooh, I look weird. Hey guys, hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is not going to be a normal beauty video. Today I am actually going to be meal prepping a little bit for you. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start meal prepping the salad in a jar Cobb salads. I'm just gonna show you guys the jars that I'm gonna be using. I'm just using 3 of these. I believe I bought these little mason jars, or they're not little. I bought these mason jars from Walmart. They sell them in a really big pack. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and start boiling your eggs. So that's process is gonna take a while, so you wanna do that first. And then now that my eggs are boiled, I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up. I know you can see my salads in the background, but I wanted to just do these in the steps that I think is best to do. So after your egg is boiled, go ahead and chop that bad boy up. Next, we're gonna cook the bacon. You can also be doing this at the same time because, again, this is a process. So I'm just showing you guys the process, you know, pretty easy. Just put the bacon in the pan, or you can even put it in the oven and that'll cook it really crispy. I didn't show me chopping that up, but that's basically what I do. Now I'm moving on and chopping up my tomato. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my avocado. And I bought a rotisserie chicken, and I'm just chopping that up. If you guys don't have a lot of time, I suggest this to save me so much time to where I didn't have to cook the chicken. It was already made. All I had to do was, you know, cut it up and throw it in there. Now we're actually ready to start building our salads in a jar. So first thing I'm starting off with is chicken. Now, if you want to put your dressing in the jar, that's the first thing you're going to want to start off with. I don't like to put my dressing in the jar. I just put it on my salad when I'm ready to eat it. Next, we're going to layer in the tomatoes. There's levels to this because you don't want things to get soggy. So I put the egg in. Now I am adding blue cheese. I didn't show this, but I am adding blue cheese to it. And next I'm gonna add my chopped up bacon. Now we're gonna add the mixed greens. And I was trying to measure them out. I was kind of struggling. I really only like to make 3 of these at a time because you don't want it to go bad. So layer it properly, and I would just suggest making like I am 3 at a time and then make the rest of them midweek so that way they stay fresh. Now I'm just layering that avocado and I'm sealing my jar, and you are good to go. So the way that you're gonna eat this is you're not gonna eat it out of the jar, you're just gonna pour it in a bowl. If you put your dressing in there, your dressing is already good to go. So that was my Cobb salad in a jar. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and leave me some comments down below. Let me know some other meal preps that you'd like to see, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.